How to play Please Donate on Roblox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Roblox application or Roblox in your browser and make sure you are signed in. Here you will see the search bar on top, so tap on the search bar there and in the search box, type in Please Donate. You will then see the Please Donate option in Experiences. So go ahead and tap on the Please Donate option and then tap on the play button you see there. And with this, the game will be started. You can then go ahead and play the game. So this is how you can play Please Donate in Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.